Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create scrolling text in Canva. Now this is a very simple and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video right until the end so that you don't miss any of these steps. So let's jump into it. The first thing you actually want to do is head over to Canva, and then once you're on Canva and we are actually logged into our account, we are ready to start making the scrolling text. So what you want to do from this page is just look for this little section that says you might want to try. And you should be able to see this option here, which is video. So when you hover over this, it actually gives you the option to create a blank video. So I'm going to click that now in order to open a new tab and create a blank video. Now, since we're trying to create some scrolling text, I'm going to import some text into this blank canvas. And that's done by going over to that left-hand side and just clicking on this text tab. From here, you can create some text by clicking on add a text box. And this will create this box, and from here you can just type anything you want into it. So I'm just going to type something like hello and make this a little bit bigger. But obviously you can write whatever you want in there, it doesn't actually matter. And it will depend on whatever you're doing for your project. So to make the text scroll from the left to the right hand side, what we're going to do is first put the text over here on the left. You can place it wherever you like, but I'm just going to put it right there. So what we actually have to do next is create a new page. So how that's done is by going into the bottom here, and here you can see we're on page 1, and this lasts for a total of 5 seconds at the moment. So what we want to do is just go hover over it and then go to this 3 dots in the top right corner, and then when we click on that, we'll actually have an option to duplicate our page. Now we just want to go ahead and click that, and as you can see we've now got 2 pages. So since we're trying to make our text scroll from the left hand side to the right hand side, what we're going to do, since our first slide's on the left hand side, is we're going to go over to our second slide and move this all the way over to the right. So you can basically think of the second slide as your end point and the starting slide as your start point. Now from here, if we play it and skip it forward a bit, you can see it just jumps. It's not really a good transition and it doesn't really scroll across. So in order to make it scroll across, we have to go in the gap in between the pages. And if you just saw that, it brings open these 2 options if you just hover over it. And the first one's to add a page, but the second one is add transition. So we're just going to go ahead and click add transition. And then we want to look for this option, which is match and move. And as you can see, if we hover over that again, it does slowly transition over to the right. So when we click on that, we can also adjust the duration. So if you'd like it a bit slower and a bit more smoother, you could do something like this. And as you can see, it slowly moves across. Whereas if we did it all the way to the other side, it's just going to move really, really fast. So I'm going to put it somewhere like 2 seconds. And what we can also do here is actually make the page a bit smaller. So that means there's less time of it staying over here and it will transition quicker over to the right. Now, something else we can do with this is actually add a transition to the start. So as you can see, it just says hello. It doesn't appear or anything. So the way to make it appear and add some animation to that is by clicking this first page here. And then up here it says animate, so we can click on this. And then here we can choose whatever one we like really. It is up to you. So for example, we could have something like that where it appears. And what this will basically do is pop up to start with. And then we will get a transition where it moves over to the right. And once we've done that, we've successfully created some scrolling text in Canva. So once you've done that and you're happy with it, you can head up to the top right corner where it says share. And then you can just go down to download and you can download your video. So that is exactly how you can create scrolling text in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.